Ew, crappy effects.
Goodbye.
Welcome, you've got mail.
Oh, I got the mail. Let me check. Okay.
White-ho, the Detention Queen has arrived. Gather your men. Stay at attention.
Yes, sir.
Here he is.
You can dance! You can fly high! Having the time of your life! Oh, see that girl!
Good singing,
What
sir.
a scene!
Keep singing.
Bring in the dancing queen! Oh, the dancing
You should
queen!
be on American Idol.
I know I'm not
You should be
good.
on American
I
Idol.
just don't know the rest of the song.
You don't?
I
Come
know.
on, man.
What?
You cut off the music because you didn't know. You gotta learn the rest of that. Come on.
Well, it's not my fault! I was defective as a child!
No, you weren't. You were burned in a lava thing when you were 16, 17, whatever.
Yes, it hurt very much, but listen, my hemorrhoids grew back!
How dare they?
I know! They're aggravating as hell! I can never get rid of them! God, they itch! And I can never go through
It's okay, sir. I got itching powder.
Ah, you do? That's good. Oh, I might need some. Right now. Right now!
Right, sir.
Dancing. Grab my hemorrhoid!
Oh.
Back at Tatooine. Oh, C-3PO, I don't know what we should do. What are you talking about, C-3PO? I mean not C-3PO, R2-D2, that's right. Oh. Yes, you're right. Well, F you too, buddy. What? What are you talking about? I served lunch yesterday. I'm not going to serve lunch again. That's right, R2, it's a big door. Well, I don't know if I can open it. What? Don't get so mad! I'm going to knock, okay? Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Oh, it did something, I know that. Oh! What?
Hello. Who are
Huh?
you?
Well, I am C-3PO, and I have come to open this door.
I
Can you
am an
let us-
eyeball. I come to see you. I come to see you naked. Who are you? Stupid pig. I will kick your butt.
Oh
Do
my
you
god,
have
don't listen to
any
my friend.
business here.
No, but we just want to pass. Just let us pass, please. God, unforgive me.
You don't look that great. But you might have a sex toy. Come
Oh. R2, it seems that they're letting us in. Yes, R2, let's go. No, over here, R2. Oh. Oh, the door's opening. Yes. I'm coming. Ah. Fine. I know it's dark. Just turn your light on. Oh, God, help me.
Hey.
R2, don't look at it. It's very ugly. Ugly indeed. Oh my god.
Come on,
R2, we're in trouble.
Come on.
Oh, R2. What's wrong, R2? Oh, what the heck is this? It's short messages.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Father, you're such an asshole.
Oh, my hemorrhoid! Oh!
This is inspirational music. It gets me into the bones. It does the hatred.
What the hell kind of music is this?
I don't know.
This music really sucks.
Shut up.
I don't like this music.
I don't care, Beta. Just fight.
You have to
You have to fight. Come on.
You got to get real. I mean, come on. This music really sucks. I hate this music.
Stop crying.
My heroes came back today. What's going on? Tell me, Luke. Luke, as you may know, I am not your father. But rather, I am your mother!
Use your anger.
No.
Miss me!
What?
Whee! Flip, flip, flip.
I know that flip. I've seen it.
You are so stupid. This music actually
Get
turns
rid
you
of that
on.
music!
I don't.
Why'd you turn it off?
God, I hate that music.
Yeah, I hate it pretty much too. Let's fight now, forever.
I'm sure. Thank God that music is gone.
You're such.
It gives me hemorrhoids and
Ah!
I didn't mean to do that, son. Luke, I know you're in here. This game of hide and seek has gone long enough. Come out.
I don't wanna.
Rubber ducky, you're the one.
This is getting pretty boring.
You go with me. Have
I think we
some
should just
fun.
fast forward.
Rubber. Wait.
Good part.
Don't fast forward.
Yeah,
Wait.
we're gonna go.
Don't.
Hey, welcome.
Oh my God.